Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a super easy meal using a product from Trader Joe's. It's one of my favorites. We're going to be using the Vegan Kale Cashew Basil Pesto. And I use this with red lentil pasta. I throw in a couple of other ingredients. It's very simple and very quick, so let's get started. The first ingredient we're using is this red lentil pasta by Tolerant. You can use any kind of red lentil pasta that you would like. I've already got some water boiling, so I'm just going to cook this to the package directions. It's going to take about 7 to 9 minutes. And that is step 1. Okay, pasta's done. Let's drain it. Pour it back into the same pot. And let's put this together. So while the noodles are still hot, we're going to use this pesto, probably about half the container. You want to stir that around, get all the noodles coated. Yes. To this, we're going to add about a cup of cherry tomatoes that I've cut in half, and about 3/4 of a cup of black olives that I've cut in half. And we'll stir these in. Look at how beautiful that looks. You're going to love this. And the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some of this Life Parmesan cheese, probably about a 1/4 cup, maybe a little less. And I've already grated that. And that's why you want to put it on while the noodles are still warm so it melts. So I'm getting a little help from, Tolerant red lentil pasta, Trader Joe's pesto, and Life Parmesan cheese. But what a simple, easy, hearty, delicious lunch or dinner. So let's get this on a plate and give it a taste. All right, we're ready to taste. It's so good. So good. You will have to try this. And what I love about lentil pasta is that it's got 25 grams of plant-based protein along with 11 grams of fiber. Now you can't beat that. And it has tons of iron, so it's really good for you, nutrient dense, and you're gonna love it. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bye.